Hi guys, welcome. We're making a six-sided beaded plate bag today. Let's get started. Welcome to Ayaaba Creations. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Support our channel, share our videos, and join the family. I promise you, today's tutorial is going to be very fun. So don't miss out. We need acrylic plates, bag handles, sugar beads, and also a pair of scissors. Fishing line 0.8. Let's begin. The plate is covered by a thin layer to protect the surface, so we first have to peel it off so that we can expose the holes we are going to bead through. Cut a long beading thread and pass it through one of the holes. Make sure to begin at one of the angles like you see in the video. Then add one bead and cross it as you can see. Then add 3 beads, one on each side of the thread, and cross with a third bead. You should be getting something like this, like how it is in the video. Yeah, something like this. As you can see here, there are 2 lines. One is closer to the plate, and then the other is far away from the plate. So the line that is far away from the plate is going to go through the next hole, as you can see, and then you pass that same line which is far away from the plate into the third bead, the one that we crossed with, and then you secure the very first one. So as you can see from the back, yeah, exactly. Go ahead to add 3 beads, one on each side, and then you cross with a third bead. Again, the line which is far from the plate is what we are going to use to go through the next hole. Then we pass it through the third bead, and then we also secure the second one. Then again, we keep repeating this step, adding 2 beads on both sides and crossing with the third one. As you can see, that is far away from the plate that is going to go through the hole, not the one that is closer to the plate. Continue with this process until you are almost done filling all the holes on the bead.
rep got the season, you know.
This step completes the second stage. In the third stage, we are going to continue to build on the side. So initially we add 3 beads and then we cross with a third bead. Then we continue by adding 2 beads and then we cross with a second bead. So we are done with the first step. So moving on to the second step, just like I said, we're going to pass the fishing line through the second bead, as you can see, and then we are going to add 2 beads, and then after we added 2 beads, 1, 2, we are going to cross with the second bead, and then we continue the same process of adding 2 beads to each and every bead on the plate. You should be getting something like this after beading around the plate multiple times. So you have to bead on 2 different plates. As you can see, I'm done with the 2. So all we have to do now is to join the 2 plates together. And this is quite simple actually. We are just going to add 1 bead each, so we'll just be crossing with 1 bead. This part is self-explanatory, so if you watch the video, I think you'll be able to understand it.
season, you know.
Now let's make the handles. Add 3 beads and cross with the third bead. Then add extra 3 beads and cross also with a third bead. Then after that you add 2 beads on each side of the line.